Welcome. If you want to customize keyboard theme with the picture on your Motorola One Action, at the first you have to go for the settings. After that we have to go for the system, tap on the languages. Oh sorry, that was misclick. We have to go for the languages and input, tap on the virtual keyboard, enter Gboard and go for the theme. Right now we have to click right here to add our customized theme, and here we are able to select the picture that we want to set up as our theme. So I take this one, and here we can scale the picture, so I'm going to take this part. Click next when you finish. We can adjust also the brightness level, so I'm going for the 100%, and after that we can also activate the keyboarders, and if you finish, click apply, and after that we can check our new keyboard theme. So as you can see, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.